Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are a fan of the channel, you'll recognise the parts in front of me, which we're going to be fitting today on this 435i. We've got the Supersprint Catless Downpipe, which removes the restriction for the turbo, adding power and obviously giving it a lot more sound. And we've also got the MSS suspension, which aids comfort and handling, as well as allowing you to lower the car. We're very familiar with these products because they're what we run on our own M2, so we know exactly how they work, how they fit. We know they're a good product, we know they're good quality, we know they last. Obviously Imran's driven our M2 quite hard, so it does put them to the test. So now I've gone through all the parts, there's no point me standing here all day. I'm going to get on and get them fitted. Finished the install on the 435i. We fitted the MSS suspension and the Supersprint downpipe. What I didn't mention earlier is I fitted a JB4 as well to go with the Supersprint downpipe. The customer decided on the MSS he wanted to go 20mm lower on the front and 15mm lower on the rear. He didn't want to catch his carbon fibre splitter on the front because he's got quite a sloped driveway. The car stock made around 340 horsepower. With the JB4 fitted and the Supersprint, it did make 392 horsepower, and it gained around 100 foot-pound of torque at its peak. So the car sounds really good, it handles really well, and it looks a lot better, so the customer's very happy.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to watch more of our videos, you can watch them over here. If you want to watch what YouTube suggests that you might like from our videos, you can watch them over here. As always, if you haven't already, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any questions for us, please drop them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them for you.